So 16b part 1, make the following changes to the program. And what we've got here is we've got this kind of different output here. So we've got to amend the program so that the output is displayed in the following format. So if we look currently at what it displays, so if we run this, we can see we just get a kind of 161105, which is quite simply the scores of how the passwords are rated. So Sun, for example, has a score of 1, and Bigger Sun has a score of 6 because it includes a capital letter, and so on and so forth. So this for loop identifies each element in the list, and this is a temporary stepper variable called password. So the first iteration, it will be sun. The next iteration, it will be this sun. The next one will be sunshine, and so on and so forth. Goes and passes that particular password to the calculate score function, returns its score, and prints the pass score. So we need to do a couple of things. Outside of the loop, first of all, I think I'm going to do a bit of this kind of stuff. So let's see here. We've got score and the password, and we've got a nice little break in between them. So I think that's going to be using this fella here, the tab character, to make it look nice and aligned, so to speak. So we need score and we need password, and then we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dashes, and the length of the password there as well. Okay, so let's get going on that. So I'll just put it after this. I could put it before it or whatever I want, but output here. So I'm going to start off with print, and we're just going to say score, and of course we're going to put in \t for the escape character there, and then password. And a good tester would always make sure that that's working correctly. So let's run that, and score and a break to password. That looks to be working so far, so good. So we've built off away again here, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 \tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or maybe 8 it is for password. Line that up, press run again, and so far so good. So that's doing the first couple of things we want to do there, where we do our score and password and our dashes. Now we want the actual score, which currently is being printed. And we want our password then to show up as well. So to do that, if we go back in here, we can see that pass score is currently being printed. So if we do a comma here, if we do a \t, and then put in our actual password, and hopefully that should give us what we're looking for, the desired output. Now, I noticed something slightly different here. I don't know how this can be changed, but this is not perfectly aligning, and I think this might be to do with the editor. So whoever created this exam might have done it in a different editor, but that's as good as you're going to get it.